Unlocking the Secrets of Choreography Notes. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a term that dances between the lines of art and organization: choreography notes. Whether you're a dance enthusiast, a budding choreographer, or just curious about the intricacies of English, this video is for you. Let's unravel the meaning behind this term and understand its significance in the world of dance and beyond. Choreography refers to the art or practice of designing sequences of movements of physical bodies, particularly in the context of dance or the movement of objects within a space. It's about crafting the steps and motions that performers will execute during a performance, making it an essential aspect of any dance production. Notes, on the other hand, are brief records of facts, topics, or thoughts, written down as an aid to memory. Notes can be about anything: reminders for daily tasks, observations, or detailed instructions. When we combine these terms, choreography notes refer to the written records, diagrams, or any form of notation used by choreographers to plan, organize, and communicate the movements and patterns of a dance. These notes serve as a blueprint for performances, ensuring that every step, turn, and jump is meticulously documented and can be taught or rehearsed accurately. Choreography notes are more than just scribbles on a page. They are a vital tool in the creation and preservation of dance. They allow choreographers to document their creative process, ensuring that their artistic vision can be realized by the performers. Facilitate communication between the choreographer and dancers, as well as among the dancers themselves. Provide a reference for future rehearsals and performances, making it easier to replicate or modify the choreography as needed. Preserve dances for posterity, enabling future generations to learn, perform, and be inspired by them. Choreography notes can vary widely in format, from simple textual descriptions to complex symbolic notations. Some choreographers may use standard notation systems like Laban notation or Benish movement notation, which are precise methods for recording dance movements on paper. Others might prefer personal shorthand or visual diagrams, tailoring their notes to their unique style and needs. Regardless of the format, these notes capture the essence of the choreography, detailing everything from the positioning of the dancers to the timing and quality of their movements. Understanding this language can be a fascinating journey, offering insights into the choreographer's creative process and the intricacies of dance composition. We hope this exploration of choreography notes has given you a deeper appreciation for the art of dance and the meticulous planning that goes into creating those mesmerizing performances we all love. Whether you're a language learner, a dance aficionado, or simply curious, remember that every art form has its unique vocabulary, ready to be discovered and understood. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the English language. Until next time, keep dancing through the pages of language learning.